Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be making pasta since my family really likes the pasta I make. So let's get into the video. This pasta is really easy to make and it's gonna be fun. Alright, I got this one over here. I'm gonna be using these ones to make pasta. Let's get into the video. So the ingredients I'm gonna need is some tomato sauce that I got right here. Let me just put the camera. Here we go. Right down here, and the tomato sauce. No, one of these. Let me find it. Give me a sec. Found this one hiding in the back. This is our last one left. Let's crack this thing open. I have like zero clue how to make these things, how to make these things work, but oh, there you go. So I think you just go like this, and just. Oh, that's easy. And oh my god, that's how these things work. Why do you seal it so shut? Like, humans need to make different inventions for these types of stuff. Stuff are hard to open, gonna lie. Right, finally got this open. This took so long. Oh no. Alright, before I get cut, let me just get like before I crack this open. Oh my god, this thing took so long to use. Humans definitely need to get a different invention. All right, there we go. This thing, bro, go in. Why is it not? Okay, now I know what happened. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's sauce everywhere. Oh my god. Oh my god, I got stains everywhere. I cleaned everything up. Look how hard it is just to open this tomato sauce thing. Like, come on, humans, come on. Right, that was a little dramatic. In the meantime, I'm gonna start making the pasta. Let me just get some nice bowl here. So you might be like, one of these are big, but I'm actually gonna cook the pasta. But the actual real original recipe is you cook the this raw with this. But it just takes too long, so I'm just gonna put this in water, cook this up, and cook this separated, and then mix them together. So that's why I'm gonna use a big one now. Right, I'm gonna use this Amazon box to put my phone on for my video. Right, now after you get everything, what you're gonna be looking is for some, oh my god. Why do I keep doing this to everything? Some nice heavy cream. This may not be enough, but we probably have some more in the back. I did not mean using the back. I'm not a store. I'm gonna check in the back. I'm not a store, guys. Right, just turn it on. Gonna put this in like a nice 10, like a nice temperature. Wait. Oh no, we have to use butter. Forgot. Let me go get some butter. Just right down here. And what exactly how much butter we need? Maybe you're gonna have to cut off a quarter of that and use everything left. Right, finally got all the weird stuff off this. Ow, it's hot. This is a perfect cube of butter. Look at this compared to my hand. This is exactly how much you need. Maybe if some of you like less oil, you can put less oil depending on how much and the size. Actually, you may or may not put too much. But no worries, the more butter, the better, because, you know, when it's buttery, nice pasta. Right, let that rest there. You can just wash my hands real quick and pour in the sauce. Right, that's great. Now let's pour on the sauce. Alright guys, this is our pot. Let's pour in some sauce. Perfect, great. Perfect. Now, oh shit! Excuse that, I was a little bit being an idiot, but I didn't notice 10 was too hot. It has to be 8. Right, let's start cooking. That was definitely way too much. Oh no. Right, pasta's looking great. Sauce. Don't forget, this is just the beginning, guys. Don't judge me by this. I put a lot of cream and definitely salt and pepper. So, yeah. Alright, here's some salt, some pepper. Right, now we're doing great. This is technically the original recipe, but me, hell no. I'm gonna add many stuff. I'm gonna add inside like tomato cherries, cut up tomato cherries, I'm gonna add up some, forgot what it's called, but I'm about to show you guys. Just mix it up. We're gonna need a hell lot more of cream. So let's add a little bit more stuff to it, and it's gonna be great. This is definitely not enough for my whole family, so let's add some water. Right, now we're doing great. Right guys, guess what we have here? Got some garlic, and you got some parsley over here. So let's put it right in. Right guys, so here's the garlic. Right, a little bit more. Right, let's mix that in. And next, we're gonna actually put some parsley over here. Let me just take off the cap. Put that straight in. That's awesome. Right, let's cut this, cut some tomato cherries, and we're all good. Dang, bro, I burnt myself really bad by mixing this. So let's be a little gentle. On second thought, even though we're using pasta, let's just use this. It's way easier to mix. Like, I mean, it is ridiculous, like it's pasta, but to be honest, like it's way easier to mix. Wow, this is doing great. I'm doing a really great job. Right guys, once again, I'm doing really great. Bought some tomato cherries, cut them up and put them straight in our soup. I mean, pasta. Right guys, we got some nice tomato cherries chopped up. Put them straight in our pasta. Right, now let's get some water. Ooh, this is so hot. Put it straight to our pasta over here. Right guys, I lowered the heat, I mixed it up a little. Our pasta is looking amazing, guys. This is gonna be amazing. Oh no. On second thought, our pasta is not doing something that's meant to. Just lower the pasta as well. It's foaming up like crazy. Right guys, the pasta is ready, so I poured it straight here. Actually, pasta itself is not quite ready. It can take a few more minutes. So I'm gonna just let it sit here with the sauce on a nice temperature. Then pasta will be ready to serve. Guys, just like that, our pasta is ready. It's amazing. Actually, it looks better on the camera, but really good in real life. Alright guys, let me just take a bowl and we can try it out. What do you think? Alright guys, my sister said it's amazing. So hope you liked this video. Click the subscribe button and see you next week.